Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush, the Discover Boss. So we're still in New Kingston. We're on Argyle Avenue, and this is another apartment construction update. And this one is literally behind the Cambridge. So if you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Remember to like, remember to comment, and remember to share as well. So this one I'm yet to get the name because there's literally no signs there. So I'm not sure what this one is called, but it's on Argyle Avenue right behind the Cambridge, and that's the Cambridge right over there. That's under construction. Sometimes I visit these sites, you know, everybody's very secretive, very tight-lipped in terms of giving out information. But if you guys know what this one is called, let me know. So it looks like at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 floors with balcony area. It has underground parking as well. It started out small, but it has really been transformed into a very big apartment complex. So this was an empty lot before, and I guess they're feeding off the Cambridge energy and went multi-level with this construction. Beside it as well is another very big piece of land. It has a smaller type apartment complex, but the land space is huge. So I know probably in the next few years they will transform it as well, because it's right at the corner, literally in front of AC Hotel, which I'll show you guys in a second. So that's another prime location that they can expand. So Argyle Avenue, New Kingston. Did a first video on this one. I'll put the link in the comments so you guys can check out that to see where it's coming from. This is also a drone video, so I'll be sending out the drone as well, so you guys can definitely get some aerial shots. So let me know what you think. Leave your comments, leave your thoughts. I know there's no color yet, but we can at least see the design. Windows are going in. Alright guys, so let's take a look around the area to see some other properties close to this one. Alright, so over this side is the AC Marriott Hotel, and also the BMW and Mini Cooper dealership with ATL Automotive. So that's what's over this side. There's also a Starbucks over here, so that's the hotel, the AC Marriott. And as I was mentioned, so this is the Carnalot property. Very big land, but that is the apartment. So it seems to be around 8 units, probably 1 bedroom or 2 bedroom. And then this property comes all the way to that wall. So as you can see, it's a big lot that can hold a much bigger apartment complex. So again, Argyle Avenue, very decent location, very central location. And then this is the apartment that we're checking out right here. Alright guys, so we'll be setting up the drone shortly. Alright guys, so let's jump into some aerial shots.